Berada ke di kejing kendu dan di kejing yalang ke bangsa Pynbeit tarik lupa dan di kabel bu kerpang. Hendai umur dirang bak jangka asam Himanta biswa sama bar umur dirang bak ke jalan Ïakren Conrad sangma klia kendu mata ke janmir Shillong. Hadian bak umur dirang bak ke asam ulawan banpli ya ke yang jangki karbi ke badan hapo Shillong. Hakan di kejing kendu ke belong hapo sekretariat ni kelang jangki di arngut ke materi dirang bak kila beteng biang ke Ïakren nak ke peta ke Pynbeit put aka Bynta ke baar bakata kalong nak ke peta banyak Pynbeit ya ke hendri tuli ke jaka ke berangsa. Kebrang dan apa yang kejingnya peniput, apa yang kejalan berkelia. Himanta biswa sarma ulang bahkan ni kadi tangka informal meeting dan ni kata kejalan ke masuk Pynbeit lupa. Hani nak kelang juga ni ke anggot ke menteri rang ba gelapan pau bahkan jinya trailang ke jongki. Kelang ban weng je kejing ke badan hapok kaput. Susu kan ni kejing lang ke ongru bahkan jalan ke batikana bahkan jalan ke Pynbeit kalau hadi kesi ke banwan lembaga regional committee yang ke belatong dan baru artli ke saukar jela. Lembaga ni ke regional committee kan sana ban petang susu ya kajing ke Pynbeit put apa yang kejalan berkelia bar ke asam. Laban kedua hang ni bah ke mentah ke baar jong kajing ke Pynbeit put apa yang kini ke artli ke jela kan long nak mentah ke hendu tli ke jaka ke berkentup ya kan lagpi ke blok 1 blok 2 bat ki de ke jaka.
Today we in the program of the Shillong Autonomous District Council after the guest house was inaugurated there. The Assam Chief Minister and the CEM of the Shillong Autonomous District Council and the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself, we had a small discussion on the issues of border issue that is being discussed between the two states. And as you're aware that this is an ongoing process and every opportunity we get to discuss the matter helps us to get to a better understanding. So with that objective in mind, we took this opportunity to sit together and discuss about certain situations, certain conditions and certain issues that were coming up and how we could possibly move forward. So this is part of the exercise, part of the process. There is no definitive outcome of it. And this exercise time to time will continue. So I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the CEM of the Shillong Autonomous District Council and our Deputy Chief Minister who's heading the regional committee in Jentia Hills region for their time, and we had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while. We're hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues also. Thank you very much.
As you know, today is a very important day for our state, Assam, because Shillong Autonomous Council could establish a nice guest house in Shillong. I thank Government of Meghalaya for facilitating establishment of that guest house, and I'd like to personally thanks once again Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya, and Snabalang Dhar, Honorable Deputy CM Meghalaya, for gracing the occasion. As I was in Shillong, or I am in Shillong, I thought it proper to pay a visit to Sri Conrad Sangmaji. I met him. We discussed the ongoing works on the regional committees. There are a lot of progress. Recently, we could finally agreed on the survey post of on Hahim. Finally, it has been resolved that both Government of Meghalaya and Assam could agreed on the border post. So there are a lot of progress is happening on both sides. We discuss about confidence building measure too. But today, as discussion was very unofficial and informal, we don't want to announce some decisions or something like that. Only thing is to say that this informal meeting will be followed by a formal meeting, and then of course whenever we meet formally we take some decision and we communicate to the press. So today meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya can be treated as one of the confidence building measure, and I'd like to request our people in the both side of border to maintain peace, harmony, because they must remember that we are working overtime to resolve the dispute. We want to keep the best interest of people living in the both side of the border in our mind. We want to protect interest of the people living in border. So be calm, remain in peaceful, remain in peace, help us. We'll try to resolve the dispute to the satisfaction of both the people of Assam and Meghalaya.
So in the previous meeting, you were...
And then probably we'll be able to take some confidence building measure. And with that confidence building measures, we'll visit the border. Because we thought that our visit should not create tension. Because if we both CM goes to the area and after our return there is a fresh tension, then people will blame us. So we want to quickly do, evolve some confidence building measures, and we hope to do that. That is why we said today. Thereafter we'll have a formal meetings. Once that confidence building measures are formalized, we'll both go to the site and we'll discuss with the people of border village also. When we went to Lampi, there was a lot of festivity. So we want to go to the Karbialong and Jaintia Hills also with the same kind of festivity.
So
when
one
is
question.
The tentative, the official meeting?
We'll discuss. My assembly is going on, and once a little bit of some political activities like assembly, something is going on in Assam. So I'd like to do it in the month of October. If Honorable CM can come to Guwahati in the first week of October, we can do. Otherwise, in the second week of October.
So
unlikely the regional committees will submit their report to...
They are meeting now, but as we told you that this 6 area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently. And we believe that everything will be settled in a most peaceful and amicable manner.
Sir, one question from my side. It's related to Assam. Since so many states got statehood from when they were part of Assam, so if there is any such demand from Barak Valley or Karbi Anglong, any such demand, are you ready for the state granting state?
In Assam, Barak Valley, Karbi Anglong, they are in a different geographical situation. So 1 + 1 is not 2. However, there is totally different situation in Barak Valley, different situation in Brahmaputra Valley. So we should not, in Assam now nobody demands states. If Karbi Anglong also demanding, they are demanding state within Assam, not outside Assam. I think that phase is over now in Assam.
The retransfer of Block 1 areas of Karbi Anglong areas, retransfer. Are
Block
you
1,
looking
Block
at
2.
retransfer?
And please do not ask us today substantial question, because today is just the informal visit. So after the formal meeting, you can put us substantial.
All these points that you're mentioning now, obviously these are all part of the discussion. So obviously we have mentioned to you again and again that everything is a process. And what we did today is part of the process to take the discussion forward. Let us see how the discussions go forward. Let us see how the regional committees come forward. Then we'll take a call. Okay. Thank you so much.